How to add emoji on Instagram. Today I'll show you how to add emojis on Instagram, whether you are writing captions, commenting or sending messages. First, let's get started. Open the Instagram app. Here, now type in your text. Okay, once you type in your text, whether it's a caption, comment or direct message, I am doing a direct message right now. And now here on iPhone, tap the smiley face right here. Here you can see many emojis available. Scroll through it, or you can also search for specific emoji by searching it right here. Now once you search for it, then tap it to add it like this. And once your message or caption looks great, hit the send button, and just like that you added the emoji to your direct message. Let's say you wanna add emoji to a caption or a comment. Let's go to comments and tap on add a comment, and just like the direct message, tap on this smiley face and add emojis from here. It's all same in everywhere, so just repeat the same process, and that's it. Adding emoji is a fun way to express yourself and brighten up Instagram. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe and tap the bell for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.